Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be share with you and the topic name is English isn't my first language, but how I learned it. So please watch my full video and follow, subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content even while I publish my basic and content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, even me. So most of the people they are feeling nervous for to speaking English. Also, I used to feel nervous, shy, and afraid to speak English. Today, I speak English confidently, and I'm going to show you exactly how I learn it. So don't waste your time because time is too short for learning any kind of new thing. So honesty, in school, in school, English felt like a subject, not a language. I could read, but I couldn't speak. That was too much problem for me. Also, every learner who want to learn English, they could read, they can read, they understand English, but they can't speak English. I always afraid people would judge my accent. That's why I couldn't speak English. Then my biggest problem wasn't English. It was my confidence, like fear of speaking, lack of confidence, grammar confusion, and no practice partner. That was too much problem. Thinking I'm not good at language. After that, I feel that English is a skill, not talent. Mistakes are part of learning because mistakes are proof that you are trying to do something new better, or you want to be learning at professional English language or English speaker. One day I realized that kids learn English by speaking, not by being perfect. After that I feel that I want to learn English by hook or by hook. I want to achieve this skill because this skill is too much crucial right now, not only in our country, not all, but also worldwide. Then how I actually learned English. How I actually learn English. Number one step is English videos, movies, YouTubes, and podcast. I listen more than I spoke. Step two, just copy it, or don't translate. Copy sentences, repeat aloud, shadowing method. I stop as translating English into my language. Step 3, speak daily, even I'm alone or even I were alone. Doesn't matter, just speak daily. Speaking to mirror, talking to phone camera, and self conversation. I spoke English every day, even when nobody listened to me. Doesn't matter. Step 4, simple vocabulary strength. Simple vocabulary strategy, like 5 words they use in sentences, speak them immediately. Step 5 is stop chasing perfection. Accent doesn't matter, fluency, grammar, strong line, perfect English doesn't create confidence. Perfect English doesn't create confidence, but only speaking does. Number 6 is my daily English routine was 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Between in those 2 hours, I was practices my English, like listening 5 minutes, reading 5 minutes, or speaking 5 minutes or 10 minutes and writing 5 minutes or 10 minutes or sense everything, not long hours. So that's why you must have confidence or consistency. Consistency with perfection. That's why it's too much vital for learn any kind of new thing. And number 7 was common mistake you should avoid: waiting to be ready, or over studying grammar, or comparing with native speaker, being ashamed of content. Number 8 is motivation for viewers. Speak directly to them, like if English isn't your first language, that's not your weakness, it's your strength, because you want to learn this language or you want to become better for this language. You don't need talent, you don't need money, you only need habit, because habit will sense everything in one day. That's why it's too much crucial. And final message is, this is called my final message about this English language. If I can learn English, you can do. Definitely you can do, because if I can learn, you can do. This is too much honestly review about my English speaking journey or how I learned it. But on earlier, I want to say in front of my dear audience and viewers, English wasn't my first language, but consistency sensed everything. So you must have considered consistency with your work, with your patience, because patience and consistency is the key to success your life. Not only about English language learning, you will achieve anything, just you need two things like consistency and patience. So thank you everyone for watching this content. I can't follow this content because time is too short. Next time I will connect with you, see you soon with another content. So please stay tuned with me or stay kind with me. Bye.